Welcome back, you guys. This is Riley with Learn With Me. And this time, we're making jalapeno kombucha. Let's get to it. Alright, you guys. So we're back again making some more kombucha. And this time I thought I'd make a special video for this one because I think I saw a video where people were talking about like different flavors and stuff and different weird combinations. And one video came across, and I'll try to link it in the bio, was a video of someone talking about making jalapeno kombucha. So I'm gonna just kind of show you guys how I'm doing it, and if I have enough time, I'll add the tasting process in the video. If not, I'll just make it a part 2. But yeah, if you guys have any other suggestions, please let me know. But let's get to it. All right, you guys, time to get started with this jalapeno kombucha. First off, I'm gonna explain why the pellicle at the top looks a bit thin. It looks that way because I recently removed it so I can remove the original pellicle so I can start a new batch. And as you may know, if you make kombucha as well, is that a new pellicle will start to form instantly. It won't necessarily form that same day, but in the matter of a few days, it will have a new pellicle on top. As you guys have seen with other kombucha videos, I'm adding the fruit, or the vegetable in this case, and then I'm adding a little bit of sugar to kind of get the process started off a bit. And so this that I'm pouring in there is going to be a little sweet tea, and then I'm going to pour some kombucha, well, not kombucha, but some of my SCOBY inside of there, because the SCOBY is the liquid and not necessarily the pellicle, in case I have misspoke in the past. Yeah, after that, I'm gonna just make sure to kind of shake this up, and because that'll get everything properly mixed up and it will aid in the carbonation process, and then we'll go from there. What you're seeing me do here is that I'm pouring some more sweet tea in to kind of replace the SCOBY that I had taken out. Generally, this isn't a recommended practice, but sometimes I do that if I just kind of want to go ahead and feed the batch, and then in the next week I'll come back and actually harvest the kombucha and make it. But yeah, you guys, that's going to be the end of this process. I'll update this as soon as I can. If I might update it in this video. If I don't, then I'll have another video coming up soon. So like, subscribe, and tune in for the next one. Well, that will bring another video to a close. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any recommendations or any suggestions, as I greatly appreciate your help. You know, I really couldn't do these videos without you guys, so I appreciate your feedback, your likes, your subscribes, and you sharing it. And I just hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and you guys continue to be the awesome supporters that you guys will always be.